Alright, so for today's trade review, don't mind all this shit right here. This was literally just to meet the consistency rule. But, so, alright, I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna look disgusting. Alright, yeah, don't pay attention to these orders, only these two. So right here, I honestly don't remember exactly what I was taking for this one specifically. Let's see. Yeah, this one I think it was, where did I sell? I bought back, up 10 points, yeah. So it was right around here. I believe it was this wick right here. I was hoping for this. Yeah, sounds about right. 2 ticks below. This one failed. The reason I was looking at this one specifically is because it had a gap fill right here on the 5 minute. Boom, gap fill. And I see that as a precision level. And so that one failed, but I was sitting waiting on the 5 minute, and then later in the day we had this right here. This big wick right here. It rejected off of midnight open, and then at the same time we have this 5 minute order block right here, which pretty much lines up. So I saw this as a good rejection wick, so I took this. I mean, if you look on like the 3 minute, it's like this, but on the 1 minute, this is the specific wick I took. It's not the most perfect rejection wick, but I thought it was very nice rejecting off of here, so I was willing to take it. And so I was down 400 with this trade. I put on 2 contracts. And then for this one right here, I did 2 contracts as well. The reason why it says there's 2 here is because originally I got tapped in and moved break even too early, and then I saw it was chopping up and I was expecting a move down, so I was like, you know what, might as well. So I only count this as 1 trade in total. And so I got tapped back in, 10 point stop, and then I had a 62.5 take profit for 200 or 2500, and then so yeah, it went ahead. Right here, this was the closing of the 5 minute candle and the new open of the next 5 minute candle, and so it just dumped with this 5 minute candle and it just traveled down, and I had expectations of price coming down here into this zone. It's a 30 minute order block right here with some swings of, I'll go on the 1 minute, it'll be easier to mark, with multiple swings of liquidity in here, and then it ended up failing. I mean, you probably, this was literally just to meet the consistency rule. I needed like a couple dollars because another one jewed me. So yeah, this would have failed miserably for me. Depending on which level you took, you could have been up like what, not optimal. If I'm risking, you know, 10 points, this is really only a 1 to 2, and that's not what I want to be taking. So yeah, anyways, I think, I mean, I've been in between the two of either, you know, the order blocks, fair value gaps with engineered liquidity with the OTE levels. I still do really like this model. At the same time, I have found a lot more a lot more success with these rejection wicks, and both of the trades, like yesterday, the trade I took banged out for, you know, 3 after losing 1K, and then we were up 2 on the on the eval, and today we are up another 2. So the account is passed, and so we'll be funded trading. I need to go ahead and activate the account now, but in the meantime, I just wanted to do this trade review. I'm gonna go ahead and write down in my journal everything that I did. Waiting for stuff like this is fire, and so yeah, honestly, this trade I could have literally held it for so long. Like, look at this, holy. So, you know, sold it right here and then bought it right here. So yeah, we have this, so I can't wait for the funded stage. That is going to be a no consistency rule. It's an advanced 50K for alpha futures, and so we're going to be doing that. And yeah, so that's the trade recap for today. Again, ignore these were literally just me bumming for shekels in order to pass the account. So yeah, that's it from GoyimTrades.